Sarura Kids News, and it's 6 p.m. in the studio. Coming up next is the weather forecast and 2 amazing stories about a time capsule and a Guinness record for not blinking. But right now, we're going to hear the weather forecast for today with Sabina. Over to you, Sabina.
Thank you, Ruva. Up north, it's a bit cloudy with a chance of rain. But in the west, pee-hoo, it's sunny. Down south, it's very stormy. And in the Midlands, there's a very slight chance it may snow. So get your hats and gloves ready.
Well, I'm getting my sleigh ready. Now, we are happily reaching to our exciting stories. The first story is about a person who has made a magnificent time capsule. But with more information, we've got Rihanna. So, over to you, Rihanna.
Thank you, Ruva. Right now, I'm in Ren's house and I'm going to ask her a few questions about her time capsule. What inspired you to make your time capsule? Well, I had COVID and I really like traveling. So I thought that if I made the time capsule, I could basically stay at home, but also be traveling somewhere. How did you feel when coming up with the time capsule? I felt really happy because I kind of knew it was going to work. If your time capsule works, will you share it with the world? Of course, I can't wait to show everybody what I have just done. Thank you for your time, Ren. We all want you to finish it in the future. Thank you. Back to you, Ruva.
Well, that was interesting. Up next is another amazing story. It's about a girl named Sarah who has set the Guinness record for not blinking for 48 hours. But with more information, we've got Lucinda. Over to you, Lucinda.
Thanks, Ruva. Right now, I'm next to the non-blinking champion, and just like Rihanna did, I'm going to ask Sarah some questions. Sarah, what inspired you not to blink?
Well, it's kind of like a family heirloom. I've always done this.
Well, my family has always done this my whole life, so I'm just trying to keep up the tradition.
Are you tired from not blinking?
Yes, very much. There's only one word to describe it. Exhausted. Do you have anything else to say? Yes. If you have any family traditions, do it. Because you could be just like me, a very well superstar. Well, Sarah, thank you very much for talking to me. And I think your family are very proud of you too.
Thank you.
Back to you, Ruva.
That's the end of Sarura Kids News. But you can still catch on tomorrow morning when Peter will be telling you the travel update tomorrow. That's today's Global News Round up to date.